Hello all, my name is Deekshita. Today I am going to present you a recipe. Before that, subscribe our channel so that I will be encouraged and send you some other recipes or some other drawings of mine. Let's start today's food recipe. The chocolate bread. Ingredients are melted chocolate, bread and sugar syrup. This is the bread. You can take how many breads as you want. This is chocolate. You can take as many chocolates or you can also use Hershey's. Now coming to sugar syrup. We will make the sugar syrup now by taking sugar and water. I took 4 spoons of water. Now I am pouring a little bit of water in the sugar. You have the mixture now and you have to heat it. While heating it, you have to just stir it and stir until 2 minutes. You should keep the fire in low flame. Now sugar is dissolving in the water. So when it completely dissolves in the water, you should off the stove. Now sugar completely dissolved, so we need to keep the mixture aside. Now you should take a pan and heat it. You need to keep the pan until it heats to the high temperature. When it is up to the high temperature, you need to keep the melted chocolate. If you already have the chocolate syrup, no need to boil this. Now we need to close the chocolates with a small plate. Now the chocolate is still melting, so we need to heat it for some more time. If you want to increase the melting of the chocolate, you can stir it like this. Now coming to the bread, we need to cut the bread into smaller pieces. You need to cut the bread pieces like this. Coming to the chocolate, it completely melted, so we can take it out. If you want more chocolate, you can take the sugar syrup and dissolve in this. You can take as many bread pieces you want and cut it into whatever shape you like. When the chocolate syrup comes to the room temperature, you can dissolve it again so that we can dip the bread in this chocolate. Now coming to the most interesting part, dipping the bread in these three. If you want the bread to be hard and stiff, you can heat it for a minute so that it becomes hard while dipping. Now the breads are strong and stiff, so now you can dip them in the sugar syrup and chocolate syrup. Let's continue. Now you need to take 2 pieces of bread and dip in them. After dipping them in the sugar syrup, dip them in the chocolate. Now you need to take this bread and keep it in a separate plate. Now you need to do it for all. Now when you are done, you can pour the entire chocolate about like this. The chocolate bread is ready. Thank you. 1, 2, 3. Now let's taste it. It's delicious. You should try it for sure. Thank you. I hope you like this recipe. Bye.